I have Professor Xavier, and you have Magneto. Professor Xavier believes that humans and because the brain transitions from
Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex?
Yes, let me give you a contemporary definition of a power. Hypnagogic. You have a graffiti when it's technologically inclined, but those intelligent Tony Stark.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on the show. You can come at me. Seriously, I have the skin tone for it. I have the skin tone, and I have the elasticity in my nose from pretending that I'm a boxer.
Let me give you a contemporary definition of a power. You have a graffiti artist
touching my apples, and
but I can't.
It's just it's upsetting. It's a paradox.
And this is what Einstein and Hendrix.
It's a pair of ducks.
That's not a paradox.
Paradox isn't a paradox?
I thought so.
How high do you have to be
inclined, but we're not intelligent.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Glad to have you on the show.
I don't know the only thing I know is a byproduct.
I mean, just being a left-handed guitar player is
that's why I eat sausage. I love butter sausage.
I mean, he looks great. By the way, it's not. I think it's like women's clothes are the best to wear ever, especially if they fit.
Byproduct.
But that's an element of construct. That's a.
I'll tell you what will cause Pasadena Media, primarily in LA. They had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of
what are we trying to do with
specifically subjects that I found intriguing. And so what I did was I published on my website a consolidation of a number of different subjects I lectured on, and also things I did on a personal level. So what my website is, and Hendrix used to do a lot of consolidation of a number of different subjects where I discuss the physical consciousness is something that's
because you're not just the jacket, you're not just mixed metaphors. You're not just Coney Island hot dogs. You are a Billy Goat. You are a horse. Because you talk about horses, you talk about horses for a reason.
He would do us off. With an eye in his hand, and as you're about to fall asleep, the object will hide. I didn't remember his
I don't like to get into things like that, but it did happen, and I'm not going to go on a horse ever again.
From the deep delta state,
you go on horses?
Back to that ground, but while it's transitioning, you may not be able to recollect.
Just like when you try to return something at Whole Foods, an Amazon product, sometimes they'll tell you to get it in another store.
That is such a bad. This is more like
don't do it.
That's such a bad idea. And this is what
How dare you?
So
our first fight.
Yeah, that's a bad idea.
No, but it's true. I just went into Whole Foods and I tried to return something, and they said, "No, this says you have to do it at another store."
Women cool. Yeah. We do that sometimes. Oh, you like? I like a lot.
I really like it. How high do you have to be to start wearing women's clothes? In the middle of being a left-handed guitar player. I mean, just being a left-handed. How about Christmas? You celebrate Christmas? Unusual enough. I don't believe in. I mean, he looks great. By the way, it's not a whatever. I think it's like women's clothes are the best. Is it a pagan thing? What do you? How do you say?
So here we go.
That's an element of construct. That's a.
I'll tell you what about the surgery. So I thought we were going to study stuff. Drawing, painting, art, music. Our consciousness is something sort of psycho. We have to proactively
a guy that bags groceries at the Ralph's down the street. This guy
explore something called power hypnagogy. Power hypnagogy have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. I'll tell you what's on the onset. The surgic acid hypnogogic on the offset. What Einstein would do is he would
Steven Seagal thing to it.
This is more like a Hendrix. And this is what the Hendrix. So as any sort of psychoactive substance or those terrorists, this is where a lot of Victorian women clothes. And this is what Einstein
old entities to do a lot. They used to explore for women power technology.
I mean,
I like a lot of people.
How high do you have to be to start wearing one? Is this guy that bags groceries middle of being, because, I mean, you're not just the jacket. What is, I mean, let me ask you a philosophical question about something that's not philosophical enough. Where do we go? I mean, he looks great. By the way, it's not a. I think it's like women's clothes.
No, I don't see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying the pumping. Your present hallucination occurs on the own set. Let me give you a hypnagogic occurs on the own set. What Einstein see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying your object in his presence. And as if you're about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake.
Well, I don't remember getting any presents, but
so because the brain transitions from different brains.
when I take people take Viagra for me, like no. They chew it on and put it in my mouth.
Genuine intellectual answer.
I have a single vanishing point
I don't know how long does that
on
take.
my horizon.
Well, no, I don't see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying your presence and being on the show with freaking Tony Stark himself. I admire.
Well, I don't remember getting any presents, but
So when you take Viagra, do you get a add-on twice?
when I take people take Viagra from me, like no, they chew it up and then put it in my mouth. No, I don't do Viagra. I do
This is all
I do the reverse engineer a leg.
Amazing. What communities do you feel like you're a part of?
What's the best documentary ever created?
My octopus teacher.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Superman.
You just talked about horses. You talked
So he
about
was
Christopher
born a
Reeves.
superhero.
Died, off that horse.
Right.
Because you have to have.